Hi, kindergarten. I hope you liked the video on the butterfly life cycle. Isn't it amazing how a caterpillar can turn into a butterfly? So today we're going to mix art and science. So we will be drawing a picture of a caterpillar and a picture of a butterfly. So you're going to need your 2 pieces of paper and a pencil and something to color with. You could use markers or color pencils or crayons. So the first thing we're going to draw is our caterpillar. So I'm holding my paper sideways to draw my caterpillar. So caterpillars oftentimes are found on leaves. So at the bottom, I'm going to draw a kind of a leaf shape. So it's just going to go up and over to the other side. Now, it's not going to be the whole leaf. It's just going to be part of the leaf. So I'm going to put a couple little lines in here. All right. Now, our caterpillar is going to be standing on the leaf. And our caterpillar is going to have patterns on it. So patterns are things that happen again and again in the same order. So this pattern is polka dots, and this one is stripes. And this pattern has a zigzag in the middle, and then dots around the zigzag. This one has diagonal stripes. And this one has what looks like maybe bow ties on it. Okay? So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patterns and a head and a little tail for our caterpillar. So I'm going to start in the middle with the biggest part of the caterpillar. And I'm going to draw a sort of oval shape. And it's always good to have an eraser in case you have to fix anything. And now I want to add another one to this on the front side. So I'm just going to come down and around and connect it. So I might have to make mine a little bit bigger. All right, and then I'm going to add one on this side about the same size. And then another one, maybe a little bit smaller. And another one over here, maybe a little bit smaller. And then a nice round head for the, a nice round circle for the head of the caterpillar. And then the tail is going to be like half of a circle. And now I want to draw a leg for each section. So that's just going to be 2 lines down and then a kind of foot shape. Now, caterpillars don't really have long legs. They have short little legs. Okay, so now we're going to put the face and the antenna. So I'm just drawing ovals for my eyes, and I'm not worried about a nose. I'm just going to give it a nice smiley face. And now I want to think about some patterns I can put in each section of my caterpillar. So I think I'm going to do zigzag lines on one of the sections. I think the middle one. So I'm going to start there, and I'm going to go up, down, up, down, up. And then I'm going to do another one right next to it. So there's one zigzag. And then I'm going to do it again. And then one more time. I think I'm going to do one with dots again, but these are going to be bigger dots. So bigger polka dots. Oh, my phone is ringing. I'll have to call them back since we're in the middle of something. All right, next, I think I'm going to do some stripes again. So I'm going to draw my lines. Like that. And then maybe this time I will do let's see. Maybe I'll do circles again, but I'll make them have lines on them. Like that. And then, oh, I think I'll do wavy lines. So I'm just going to do a wavy line, stripe, and then another wavy line, and another, and another. Now yours doesn't have to look exactly like mine. You can pick out your own patterns. And then you can decide how you want to color it as well. So I'm going to show you my finished one again. So I decided that my caterpillar was mostly yellow, and then I used other colors to fill in the pattern, and you can see my leaf down here. So if you want to, you can pause the video and go color it, or you can keep watching and we'll make the butterfly, and then you can color them both at the same time. So I pretended that my yellow caterpillar turned into a pink butterfly. Did you see in the video that the caterpillar was green and then it turned into an orange butterfly? So they don't have to be the same colors. So I kept my caterpillar's face yellow, but I changed the other parts. So when you draw a butterfly, whatever you put on this side, you also have to put on this side, because a butterfly is called symmetrical. And that means if you fold it in half, both sides are exactly the same. So we're going to do our best to draw a symmetrical butterfly. So I'm holding my paper up and down this time. So I started with the head. So I drew a little round circle for the head. And I put the antenna on. And I drew the little eyes and the little mouth. And then I gave it a nice long body. Now it's up to you. You can make your body one color, you can make stripes, you can make a different pattern, however you want to do it. Now a butterfly actually has 4 wings. I tried to show that in this one. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think when I draw this butterfly, I'm actually going to draw the 4 different wings. So I'm going to start right below the head, and I'm going to make a wing shape like that. And then I'm going to try to make the same thing on this side. It might not be exactly the same, but I'm going to try to start and end at the same places. And then for the second wing, on the bottom wings, I'm going to start here, well, maybe about here, kind of in the middle of the wing, and I'm going to come down and back up to the body. So I'll do that again over here, down, back up to the body. So it's not perfect, but it's pretty close. And then you have to decide what patterns do you want in your wings. So maybe you'll use some of the patterns from your caterpillar, like I use the bow ties again in my butterfly. So you can decide what you want to put in your caterpillar, but you don't even have to do anything the same if you don't want to. So over here I might do a big circle, but then I have to do the same thing on this side. And then maybe I'll do a wavy line, but then I have to do a wavy line over here too. And then maybe a little circle here. And then on the bottom, maybe I will do two diagonal stripes. And in the middle, I'm going to do some of those circles again with the lines. Okay, so there I have my butterfly drawn. So now all I need to do is color it. So when you're finished, you're going to have your caterpillar, and your caterpillar turns into a butterfly. All right, I hope you had fun making our caterpillars and butterflies. So you can go ahead and color those and then hang them up someplace and show off your nice artwork. All right, I'll see you the next time. Have a great day. Bye.